Hello all, welcome back to Fun with Painting. Today we will learn to draw Pinkfong from the famous and popular children's entertainment brand of the Pinkfong. So let's start drawing. We will start drawing the face first. Start with the crown. Now extend both sides of the crown a little bit. From the both sides of the crown, now we will draw two really big ears in a shape of a triangle, but they are a bit curved. Draw another triangle within the larger one. Now come downwards and draw the cheek with two extrudes on each side. Now join both the sides with a curved line. Let's add some detailing now. Draw two large oval eyes. A second and a third layer also. Above each eye, we will draw eyebrows now. Now we will draw a small nose in between the two eyes and a mouth. Now let's start drawing the body. Draw a small neck and a part of a necklace. From both sides of the neck, now we will draw two hands. Each hand will have 4 fingers. Draw the body like a small barrel and the body will end into 2 legs. On each leg, we will add 3 toes. Hey guys, do you know what type of animal Pinkfong is? Well, the answer is Pinkfong is a cute little fox. Now let's add the symbolic pendant of Pinkfong, that is a star. Last but not the least, draw the tail as well. Now the time comes when we color the Pinkfong. Obviously throughout the body we will use pink as he is named after his body color, of course. Pingfong is a famous South Korean brand. It consists of mainly children's songs, of which the most famous is Baby Shark. So just keep coloring the body pink. But for the tail, we will use a deeper shade of pink. And the rest of the accessories, that is the crown and the necklace, will be yellow. The eyes, eyebrows and the nose will be black. So now Pinkfong is all ready. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Bye.